Chapter 5. Cultural Diversity in Food. Get set. Imagine that you want to give your grandfather a surprise birthday party. Now, work with your partner and make a list of 8 things that you would like to serve the guests. Later, the teacher will ask each pair to share its list with the other groups and discuss the same. All living organisms need food to survive. Anything that is consumed by humans, animals and plants to get energy and for the growth and development of the body is known as food. We get our food from both plants and animals. Some of the common examples of food that we consume are rice, bread, vegetables, meat, eggs and fruit. Animals, like us, also consume plants and other animals. You have read earlier that unlike humans and animals, plants make their own food in their leaves using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. This is called photosynthesis. Journey of food. Farmers grow plants in the fields. Ready crop is harvested. Raw food is taken to wholesale dealers in big markets called mandis. Food is bought by shopkeepers and vendors from the mandi. They sell it to us. Animals are reared in the farms for milk, meat and eggs, etc. They are taken to the wholesale dealers. From the wholesale dealers, retailers buy it. Then we buy things from them in the market. Did you know? Wholesalers are the people who sell the things in bulk. Retailers are the small shopkeepers who buy things from wholesalers and then sell in the market to consumers. Sources of food, plants and animals. Plants and animals are the 2 main sources of food for human beings and animals. Plants as sources of food. Most of our food comes from plants. We know that leaves, stems, roots, flowers, seeds and fruits are the different parts of a plant. We eat different parts of different plants. We eat leaves of some plants. Example, cabbage, mint, spinach. Some flowers we eat are cauliflower, broccoli. Seeds like wheat, rice, maize are eaten as cereals. We eat pulses like black gram, horse gram. Carrots, beetroot, radish are some roots we eat. Some stems we eat are potato, onion and sugarcane. We obtain tea from the leaves of tea plants. We obtain cooking oil from almonds, sunflower and mustard plants. Coffee is obtained from beans of its plants. Animals as sources of food. We get milk from cows and buffaloes. In some places, milk of goats, camels and yak is also used. Cheese, butter, curd, buttermilk, ghee, ice cream and paneer, cottage cheese are all milk products. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Hens, goats and fish give us meat. Bees give us honey. Cultural diversity in food. What type of food we eat largely depends upon where we live. Different places have different foods. The food eaten in North India is different in many ways from the food eaten in South India. This difference is due to many reasons. The environment we live in, the place where we live affects our food habits in many ways. For example, people who live near the sea, coastal areas in South India eat more fish than the people living in North India, where crops are grown on a large scale. In cold regions, where farming is not possible, people eat more meat products. Different traditions. With the change in times, now we get all kinds of food almost everywhere. However, people still prefer to eat the food that their parents and grandparents have been eating for many years. This is why people in the southern part of India prefer to eat idli, dosa and rice, and people in the northern part prefer to eat roti. Religious beliefs. Religion also affects our eating habits. People follow many fasts and restrictions of food based on their religion. For example, some people do not eat non-vegetarian items because of their religious beliefs. Special occasion. Some special foods are reserved for special occasion. In India, we have different foods for different festivals. Most of these special foods are sweet dishes eaten during festival times. For example, we eat revari and gachak during Lohari and Sevia during Eid. Did you know? Some different and unusual food, a wide variety of foods are eaten by people all around the world. In some parts of the world, frog legs are eaten. In some parts of the world, people eat sea turtles. Eskimos, who live in very cold, snow-covered places, eat seal blubber and whale fat. Some people also eat shark's fins, birds' eggs, snake meat, grasshoppers, ants and other insects. What is the most unusual thing that you have eaten? Food habits. People who eat only plant products are called vegetarians. People who eat eggs, meat and fish, along with plant products, are called non-vegetarians. Some people are vegans. They do not eat any animal products, not even milk, butter and cheese. The amount of food we need to eat depends on our age and the kind of work we do. Babies drink only milk. Growing children need to eat more than elderly people. This is because they do a lot of physical exercise and need energy. Also, their bodies are growing, which needs a lot of nutrients. How food reaches our house. We buy vegetables and fruits from the shops in our neighborhood or from the local vendors. They buy it from the wholesale mandi. The farmer sells his produce at the mandi. Some people grow their own vegetables. They have a kitchen garden at home. We buy rice, wheat, pulses, spices, bread, butter and all kinds of grocery from the neighborhood grocery shop. The shopkeeper buys it from the wholesale market. A balanced diet. Our body needs different nutrients to grow and stay healthy. It requires carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, proteins, fat and water to grow, stay healthy and work. A diet which contains all the nutrients in the correct amount is called a balanced diet. Fruits and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals. Protect against diseases, vital for immune and nervous system. Choose a wide variety to accompany you during the day. Bread, cereal, rice, potatoes and pasta. Carbohydrates. Energy source, eat all kinds plus choose high fiber ones, choose one food source per meal. Meat, poultry, fish, dry beans, eggs and nuts. Protein foods. Growth and repair of body tissues, protect against infections and diseases. Fats, oils and sweets. Fats, oil and sweets, concentrated energy source, carries vitamins, hormones. Try not to eat too often and always have them in small quantity. Milk, yogurt and cheese. Protein foods, often very rich in saturated fats, choose low-fat versions whenever possible. Rice, wheat, bread, cereals, sugar and potato contain carbohydrates. They are called energy-giving foods. They give us energy. Milk, milk products, meat, fish, pulses, beans, eggs and fruits give us proteins. These are bodybuilding foods. They make the body strong. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. They give us vitamins and minerals which protect our body from diseases. We need to drink plenty of water. Water helps our body to digest food and removes waste material from the body. Try and drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. We also need to include a fair share of roughage in our diet. Roughage is useful for a healthy digestive system. Fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of roughage. Avoid wastage of food. The leftover food should be kept in the refrigerator. It can be used to the next day. Take only that much food which you can eat in your plate. Fruits like apple, pear, etc. should be cut into slices and shared, instead of taking a few bites and throwing the rest. Leftover slices of bread and chapati can be broken into pieces and sprinkled in the courtyard so that birds can eat them. Summary: food is consumed by humans, animals and plants to get energy and for the development of the body. We derive our food from both plant and animals. We eat the seeds, roots, leaves, stem, fruits and flowers of different plants. Animals give us milk, eggs, meat and honey. Vegetarians are people who eat only plant products. Non-vegetarians are those who eat meat, eggs and fish. A balanced diet is needed for a healthy body. Three main kinds of foods are bodybuilding food, energy-giving food and protective food. We should avoid wastage of food. We should take that much food which we can eat in our plate. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Non-vegetarians eat A. Meat, B. Vegetables, C. Both of these. 2. Sugar is obtained from A. Beetroot, B. Sugarcane, C. Potato. 3. Cauliflower we eat is A. Root, B. Stem, C. Flower. 4. Coffee is obtained from the of a coffee plant. A. Beans, B. Leaves, C. Both of these. 5. We need to drink plenty of A. Milk, B. Water, C. Cold drink. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. All living organisms need to survive. 2. Grow plants in the fields. 3. Food is bought by shopkeepers and vendors from the 4. Seeds like wheat, rice, maize are written as 5. People who do not eat any animal product, not even milk, butter and cheese are called C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. People of South India enjoy eating rice. 2. An example of a leaf that we eat is carrot. 3. Rice is the main food of the people of North India. 4. Potato, sugarcane and onion are the stems we eat. 5. People all over India eat same kinds of food. 6. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. D. Match the following. 1. Candies and chips. 2. Potato and onions. 3. Butter and cheese. 4. Coffee and tea. 5. Rice and wheat. A. Answer the following questions. 1. Explain the journey of food from the field to table. 2. What food do we get from animals? 3. Name 4 seeds we get from plants. 4. Who are wholesalers? 5. Suggest some measures to avoid wastage of food. 6. Name 5 products made from milk. Activity. Choose any fruit vegetable that you like the most. Draw its picture and write a few sentences about it, why you like it, where it is found, its nutritional value, what it looks like and how it is eaten. Life skill. You go to a party. You fill your plate with A. Too much food. B. A little food.